Hi, I'm Aletha with WTI, and this is the NURSAL TENS unit. It is a muscle stimulator. I'm using it on my arms right now, but it's for every muscle on my body where I need it. So this little machine has 16 programmable modes, from acupuncture to deep tissue massage to cupping to kneading. You just choose the one you want, and then you could choose the strength that you need, and then it'll just work. So right now it's working on my arms and it's in the kneading mode, and I can increase the level, but the reason why I love it is because it really works. It really massages my sore, tense, tight muscles. And with all of the 16 programs that I can choose from, it works wonders whether it's on a tight spot like my back, or tense like my shoulders, or sore muscles like my arms. I can set it for 10 minutes to 60 minutes and just sit down and relax and let the machine do its job. This NURSAL TENS unit is a family pack. If you're working out together, then you could massage your muscles together. I love that about this product. This is the NURSAL TENS family pack unit. I love it. I highly recommend it. And that is just my point of view.